This is how my toilet or powder room looked like last Christmas, and I decided to update the window decor both in this room and in the kitchen. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm using a smallest tension rod for windows, and I bought this wreath from Hobbycraft last Christmas, after Christmas during sale. I believe I paid something ridiculous like 50p, and my husband kindly cut it for me so I could use it on this tension rod. I'll be using these zip ties to hold it together, and in total I used 3. After cutting all 3 of them excess ties, I chose my baubles, color coordinating to the rest of the decor in that room, and I just tied it using glittery pipe cleaners. At the background I was watching Friends episode, all Christmas and Thanksgiving related. I love spending time in my craft room creating beautiful home decor on a budget to decorate my home with. Please click on the like if you are enjoying the video. For the center of this window decor, I will be using this beautiful cage, bird cage that I bought last year from HomeSense, and I also bought this little bird from HomeSense as well, and I will be using fishing rod to hang them or dangle them from this rod. I decided in the last minute to add little baubles as well. I'm not tying it, I just remove the tops and I am just sticking on top of the branches. This way, hassle-free, very quick add of color, really love it. Let me finish it off here and then I'll give you the reveal, and here is the beautiful reveal of my window decor. I absolutely love it.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and
This was my window decor in my kitchen last year. I really loved it, but I decided for YouTube purposes to freshen it up and come up with something new. I will leave a link below in case you haven't seen it and you would like to. I used ribbons to hang baubles, and you'll see in a minute the beautiful glass baubles that I hang.
I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we want to do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way.
It was probably one of my favorite window decor in this room, but I found these beauties this year and I hold it for you, and I decided to go all candy lane in the window decor this year. All of these items are from Home Bargains.
Yes, I'm coming home.
I'm using last year's arrangement as a base, removed some of my baubles to color coordinate them, and I will be using these picks on either end, and I will secure them with zip ties. I bought 2 of the large items So I will be using one of the item on the garland on the rod and the other one dangling down. Snowflake is gonna be in the center as the shape is slightly different from the candy canes because they are both long, and I'm using this fishing rod as well to tie them. Everything is nice and secure. Now I'm going to work on these little candies to jazz it up. Top part is done and I absolutely love it, and tension rod makes this DIY so easy. Now let's dangle these. I swapped the order when I was dangling so they don't end up underneath each other. So now we are going to deal with cakes and lollies. All done, and here's the reveal. After last year's window arrangements, I never thought I would top it up, but I definitely did in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Was it last year's or this year's in both rooms? I hope this video inspired you somehow to create your own decors for your home this Christmas. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.